In the previous video, I have demonstrated how to use this switch to repeat the PoE network up to 800 meters for one IP camera. 800 meters is quite long distance, so just sending the power and data for one camera seems a little bit waste. So here I'm going to show how to use this 800 meter PoE switch to send the network for another PoE power switch up to 500 meters. Why we choose 500 meters? Because after 500 meters, the bandwidth will be downgraded to 10 megabytes per second. It's not enough bandwidth for multiple IP camera. Within 500 meters, we still have 100 megabytes per second. So it will be enough to supply for data for multiple IP camera. First, let's just take a look at the outdoor switch. This switch is taking the power from this outdoor power supply unit. We cannot take the power from this switch to share to the multiple IP camera. It will be not enough. So that's the reason why we need outdoor power source to power this outdoor PoE switch. So technically, this switch only provides the data for up to 500 meters. Now we also need the cable. This is the Ethernet cable. And now we need to power this 800 meter PoE switch. Plug the AC power. And next, this is the cable from the recorder. So we attach the recorder to the uplink port, one of the uplink ports. Next, we got the cable. We are going to using this cable to connect the port number 1, the first one, which support the usual long distance. Meanwhile, we also need to install this PoE adapter before the outdoor switch. The reason is because even this switch can send the usual long distance network to the edge, but the switch need to return the signal to the central one, so it requires this PoE adapter. And I'm going to connect the terminal to the input of the PoE adapter. Also, I did a punch code to link the output to the port number 8, only the port number 8. So connect to the output and link to the port number 8. Can we just connect to the other port? Will it working? No, it will not working. Because the port number 8 is the special port. It can take the PoE from another PoE injector or splitter. So in this case, we have the complete PoE system, and this PoE adapter will take the power from the edge. Right now, I'm just using the short punch code to find one of the PoE port, and now connect to the IP camera. You see, after we link one camera, we still have 6 PoE ports, which will be able to take in 6 extra PoE IP camera. And the power for the IP camera will supply by this outdoor PoE source. Alright, we can see the cameras live. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can post in the comment section below. See you next time.